Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a magic boat. This is a traditional model. I'm not really sure why they call it a magic boat, but it can stand up on its own. And I will be using a 6-inch sheet of kami. And we're going to start with the colored side down. Next we're going to valley fold in half along both of the diagonals. So we'll bring this top right corner down to meet the bottom left corner. Make sure both those corners line up there and hold them in place, and then crease all the way across. And then unfold. Now bring the top left corner down to meet the bottom right corner. And then crease that one. And now unfold. Now for the next steps, we're just going to be making a square that goes around here. So with each crease, we're not going to crease it all the way across. You can do that if you'd like to, but then you'll have extra creases on the outside of the finished model. On the end there'd be a bunch of creases on the outside here, but I like to fold it nice and clean. So how this is going to work is we'll bring this edge into the center of this X here. And then make sure the vertical edges line up with each other. And then we're going to start this crease in the center, and it's going to extend just to where the creases are. And then you'll stop and unfold. And now you can see here that crease just extends right to this crease and then stops. And so we're going to do that with the other three sides. So on the right side here, bring that edge into the center. And then crease that, making sure to stop at each of those crease marks, and then unfold. And same with the top edge. And the left edge. Now you'll see we have a square going all the way around. I'm going to flip it over just so you can see the creases better. Now I'll turn it back over. So what's going to happen here is we're going to form all of these valley folds at the same time. But this one in the center is going to reverse itself. But we'll just start by forming these valley folds at the corner. Next, we're going to turn the paper over. We're going to press down on this center point. And then bring these 2 points in to meet each other. Then we'll lie it flat. And bring 2 points out to the side, like this. You'll see there's the 1 point sticking straight up, 1 on the left, and then 2 on the right side. Then if you lay that flat, you can press down here and form some new creases underneath. Now just press everything down firmly. And then we're all done. Should stand up on its own. Now if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for all my future tutorials. And thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.